Today, we're diving into the world of photo editing with a spotlight on 3 of the best Android applications for cut and paste. Let's explore how each of these applications can help you unleash your creativity. Auto Photo Cut Paste. This app is a powerful tool that allows users to effortlessly cut out objects from photos and paste them onto various backgrounds. Utilizing advanced algorithms, it automatically detects edges, ensuring clean separations between the subject and the background. Users are also given the option to refine their cuts manually for more precision, making it suitable for detailed work. Additionally, the app offers a wide range of background options and editing tools, allowing users to enhance their final images creatively. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible for both beginners and experienced editors, making photo manipulation fun and easy for everyone. Cutout Paste Photo. This application excels in providing precise cutting and pasting capabilities for images. Users can select specific areas of a photo to cut out and seamlessly paste them onto other images or backgrounds. With tools for adjusting the cut areas, users can achieve a high level of accuracy in their edits. The app also supports zooming in for detailed modifications, which is particularly useful for intricate designs. Furthermore, it includes various filters and effects to enhance the pasted images, making it a fantastic choice for creative photo manipulation projects. Whether for personal use or professional purposes, this app offers versatility and flexibility. Background Eraser Cut Paste. This app specializes in erasing backgrounds from images, allowing users to create transparent backgrounds or replace them with new ones of their choice. It provides both automatic and manual erasing options to ensure accuracy and control over the editing process. Users can easily remove distracting backgrounds, focusing on the main subject of the photo. Once the background is removed, the app allows users to paste the cutout images onto different backgrounds or edit them further with additional tools. This feature makes it great for creating professional-looking photos with minimal effort, appealing to those who want high-quality results without extensive editing skills. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the top Android apps for photo cut and paste. We hope you found our insights helpful and inspiring for your next editing project. Happy editing!